Hi there, I'm Joe Ty, CEO and head coach of Values Coach, and thank you for coming to our website and checking out what we do. Here's what we do. We help hospitals build a stronger culture of ownership on a foundation of values. And we do this in a couple of ways. First, we start by challenging you and your leadership team to think about what we call the invisible architecture of your organization, that foundation of core values, what you stand for, what you won't stand for. The superstructure on top of that of organizational culture, the personality, the character of your organization. And you know, they say culture eats strategy for lunch. We help you think about what is the cultural plan that we need to have to complement the strategic plan that we already have. And then you come in and finish it off a building with the interior design of carpeting and wallpaper. That's the emotional attitude, using our metaphor. That's the emotional attitude in the workplace. And we've created a whole battery of tools that help your people be more positive, more enthusiastic, more optimistic, so that you have a more positive emotional workplace environment. One of the most important of those tools, one that we share when we come and actually make presentations in your organization, is our course on the 12 Core Action Values. This is the workbook. It is a 60-module course on universal values, from authenticity to courage and perseverance, purpose, vision, focus. These are the values that you want your people to live in the workplace, and we've created a whole course teaching them how to do that. Not just how to be better caregivers, better workers, but how to be better parents, how to manage their time, their money, how to manage their lives more effectively. That's why we call this the gift to your people that's also an investment in your organization, because as more people get clear about and act upon those values, it cannot help but have a positive impact on the culture, on the engagement in your workplace, on what your patients see and feel when they come into your hospital. Now, to assure that we have a long-term sustainable impact, we don't just come in and do the training and leave. We actually come in and prepare a core of people in your hospital to be certified values coach trainers, to teach this course on a unit-based instruction format throughout your hospital. In larger hospitals or health systems, we also train a core of master trainers who can teach other people to be trainers. So for example, right now we're working with Vision 20 of the Veterans Health Administration, 8 major medical centers, 10,000 employees in the Pacific Northwest. We have 75 master trainers who have trained more than 250 trainers who are taking the course to all 10,000 employees. Some of the words that we hear back from people as they've gone through the course: life-changing, transformative, even miraculous. For smaller organizations that can't necessarily afford to have us come in and do the whole program, we've started the Rural Values Collaborative. It's to make this course affordable and accessible to rural, critical access, long-term care facilities. We started in Nebraska in 2011. So far, 1 of every 3 critical access hospitals in the state is already participating, and we're hearing amazing things back from people. We're co-sponsored by the Nebraska Hospital Association, the Rural Health Association, a number of other organizations in the state. And that's what we try to do, is create this whole network of organizations. So it's not just you, it's a whole network of people buying into these values. Got a note from Paul Udemark, the CEO of Fillmore County Hospital in Geneva, and he said, because of the Values Collaborative and all the training we're doing on values in our organization, I got a whole new team and didn't have to change any of the people. He didn't have to change the people on the bus, because what he did is he made it a better bus for everybody to be on. That's what we do at Values Coach. Our purpose says that we transform people through the power of values, the values that are reflected in this course, and we transform organizations through the power of people. That's why we call this training the gift to your people that's also an investment in your organization. I hope it's a gift that you'll give to your people. I hope it's an investment that you'll make in your organization. I hope you'll give us a call, and I'll look forward to talking with you.